Well, hi there boys and girls. Ivor Sawfingers here with you for hopefully another interesting lesson. This is a song called Wish You Well from a young lady called Ferrell. Okay, hopefully you've seen my playthrough I did of this song recently. Hopefully I'm going to try and teach you everything I played in that song. Fairly straightforward arrangement. It's basically got an intro, a verse section, a bridge section, and that's basically it. It's just more the same. Okay, there is an instrumental in the middle which is basically a verse. Okay, so standard tuning, no capos, doing in the key of C, which is the same key that Ferrell recorded the song in and plays it live. Okay, so you'll be able to play along with Ferrell. Doesn't suit my voice, way too high, but that's the way it is. Okay, just have to bear with me. It's just for guidance. So starting off with the intro. Okay, something like this. Bit of a pause and then we go into the song. Okay, so what am I doing there? So we've got starting off with an A minor. Straightforward A minor chord. I play the 5th string, the 4th string, and then I strum the rest, sort of thing. Okay, then I play A minor with G in the bass. So you keep your A minor shape, but you add your pinky to the 3rd fret of the bottom E string. Okay, you hit the bottom E string on the 3rd fret, play the 4th string, and then strum the rest. So it's like. That. If you can't manage the pinky, you could just move your 3rd finger up there, like that. You could do it that way. The only thing wrong with that is you're playing an A minor 7th and not an A minor. But if you can't physically do the pinky, then I would suggest you just try using your 3rd finger and put that up to the bottom E string 3rd fret. Okay? So anyway, first 2 chords. Now the next chord is it's basically an F chord, but it's got a bit of a twiddle bit on it, so it's. And the way I do that, it's an F bar chord. Okay, but you don't need to put the full bar down to start with. If you don't want to, you could just fret that bottom E string 1st fret and play 6th string, 5th string, 4th string. Okay, then lift off this 2nd finger so the 3rd string is open. Okay, hit the 3rd string open and then hammer into that 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Okay, so you got that? And then finally you put the bar back and hit that 1st fret of the 2nd string with the bar. Okay, it's like 2nd string. Okay, so the whole intro. Okay, bit of a pause. Even if I never hear the words I hope you say. Right, so the first line of the song. Even if I never is A minor. Hear the words is that A minor with G in the bass, however you wish to play it. Hope you'd say is a D7 with F sharp in the bass. Okay, so the way I do that is from the G with A minor with G in the bass. What I do now is this 2nd finger from the A minor shape goes up to the 2nd fret on the bottom E string. These 2 stay where they are from the A minor. The 1st finger and the 3rd finger stay where they are. Move the 2nd finger up to the 2nd fret of the bottom E string. And your pinky now comes over and plays that 2nd fret on the top E string. Okay, so you've got from the A minor minor with G in the bass, and then this D7 with F sharp in the bass. Okay? Should sound like that. So that's the 6th string, then the 4th string, and then strum. Something like that. So it's okay? So that's even if I never hear the words I hope you say. Okay? Then we go to even if you never is a G chord. You can play like that, or you can play. I play it like that. Okay, G chord, standard G chord. Find the error of your ways. So that's G to a G7, standard G7 chord. 1st fret, top E string with your 1st finger. Okay. 2nd on the 5th, 3rd on the bottom E. All 6 strings, and then to a C chord. Okay, so it's even if I never hear the words I hope you say, even if I never find the error in your way. Okay, got that? Then we go back to the A minor and the A minor with G in the bass again, but I like to put a little rundown in after you come out of the C chord. So it's like, even if I never hear the words I hope you say, even if, right now, even if you find the error in your way, I know you try. I like to put that, you try. 3rd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, and then the A minor bit again. Try to hide, A minor with G in the bass. Now this time we go to an F chord, and it's, if you can make the F bar chord, that's great, because you get that bottom E string 1st fret. So it's like, I know they try to hide behind the lies you tell. Or if you can't manage that, just play the standard F chord, okay, 4 downwards. Okay, so it's, I know they try to hide behind the lies you tell. Okay, and the last line is just, though you hurt me, C, G, I still wish you see well. Okay, so that's the whole verse, and all the verses play exactly the same. Okay, so we'll just go from the intro and we'll play the 1st verse. Okay. Even if I never hear the words I hope you say, even if you find the error of your way, I know that I try to hide behind the lies you tell. Though you hurt me, I still wish you well. Then it just repeats the whole thing again. Nothing could be prepared me for the joy you took from me. Stole away the person that I was when I was free. Learning how I settled loose and feeling glad to dwell. Though you hurt me, I still wish you well. Right, now this is when it comes to the bridge section. So you do the intro, 2 verses, and then you come out of that last line of the 2nd verse. Though you hurt me, I still wish you well. Now we're going into the bridge section. So you do 1 5th string, 4th string strum on that last chord of the 2nd verse. So though you hurt me, I still wish you well. And then we play a B minor 7. So that's a bar on the first 5 strings. I'm not playing the bottom E string, okay? First 5 strings, bar, 2nd fret, 1st finger. 2nd finger's playing that 2nd fret third fret of the second string, get it right, and my third finger is playing the fourth fret of the D string, the fourth string, and you play that fifth string, fourth string strum. Okay, so you've got, though you've hurt me, I still wish you well. Okay, then we go into the actual bridge, and it's when you sleep. That's an E chord, standard E chord. Hit the bottom E. It's like sixth string, fifth string strum. Okay. Then we go back to that B minor seventh and do the fifth string, fourth string strums. Right. Back to the E. So it's, and when you sleep, I hope you dream. So you do that twice, E to B minor seventh, E to B minor seventh, twice, okay? And then we go to, so let's just come out of the second verse. So, though you hurt me, I still wish you well. And when you sleep, I hope you dream. Then we go to an F bar chord if you can make it. So we get that bit, or you can play a standard F chord, okay? Someday dancing in the C, G, so it's F. Someday dancing in the C, G. Then we go back to that E to B minor seventh again. And when you wake and face the day, back to the F. All the damage you have seen. Stop. Then you go into verse 3. Okay, so we'll do verse 2 and then we'll do the bridge. Okay, so nothing could prepare me for the joy you took from me. Stole away the person that I was when I was 3. Learning how to tell the lonesome feelings how to dwell. Though you've hurt me, I just wish you well. And when you sleep, I hope you dream. Someday dancing in the sun. And when you wake and face the day, all the damage you had done, I could let it go and leave the fact and so on. You get the idea? Verse 3. Then there's another verse instrumentally, and then it does the bridge section again, exactly the same, and then I think it does a final verse, and you just repeat the last line on the final verse, where it goes, though you've hurt me, I still wish you well. Then you go to an F chord. Though you've, back to C, hurt me, G, I still wish you well. Finish on the C. Okay, so the final verse is, though you've hurt me, I still wish you well. F. C, oh you've hurt me, G, I still wish you C. And that's how I finished it, okay? So there you have it, boys and girls. Please excuse, like I said before, please excuse the singing, this is way out of my key. Because it is a female singing it. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this. I hope that helped to play the song, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.